Hello, welcome to Cara After Dark. This is like a more intimate setting, relaxing, the ambience, everything is more relaxed and it's after dark after the kids have gone to bed. And I'm like, yes, why not just come and give you updates of the reviews of topics discussed earlier in the week and also um, how to make ends meet, as moms, as women, especially as we're over 40, we need to look into how we can earn extra income and everything in between, because you can't just totally rely on a salary. You have to have a side hustle. So I would advise you go into digital marketing. That's what I'm here to talk to you about because why? We need to earn a living. We need to make ends meet. We need to make it big. And we need to smile to the bank and get our checks, because some of us live paycheck to paycheck, salary to salary, or probably you look forward to getting a shift and it's like, oh, when will I get paid? When will I get called? Or you're just waiting for that interview, or you're waiting for that call to say, oh, you got the job. Why you're waiting? Why not just venture into a side hustle? Why not just venture into something profitable? Okay, so this is like Cara After Dark, and we can talk more in an intimate setting. So that's where I come to you on my YouTube channel to say, why not, ladies? Let's do this. So let's get straight into it. So, about the earlier reviews about topics that were spoken about today or that were spoken about in the news and whatnot, but I would like to deliberate on the lady that was pregnant, Toke Makinwa. People are still going in for her, and I'm like, why there's this lady that she just mentioned again, she's a prophetess, and trying to correct her online. She did a whole production. She got her makeup on, she got a whole video recorded, like she had a whole production crew. In my opinion, why can't she just message her privately, or just whatever she has to say, keep it to herself? Don't say anything. Like I say, we are grown women. We don't need another woman or someone else telling us what to do. You're not the one paying her bills. Why would you judge her, telling us that, oh, she doesn't have a husband? Why is she pregnant without a husband? It's none of your business, okay? So that's an update that I will talk about on that, all right? So, women, women, women. When you're at a particular age, no one can tell you what to do. No one can talk to you because you know your worth, okay? Yes. So, what to do for money? We need to have side hustles, all right? So, I would venture into digital marketing, digital promotion in business. I mentioned that earlier. I went to study digital promotion in business online, and it was good. I benefited from it, and now I can add it to my resume or CV, as you would say. And if you don't have the experience, you could still watch topics online about it. You can venture into watching it on YouTube, digital marketing. I am marketing right now my ebook, and you can just grab it just to encourage you how to set your goals, because I had to set some goals. I had to set smart goals. And when I talk about smart goals that can transform your life, I'm talking about specific goals, measurable goals, accessible goals, results, timely goals. Are you setting it in a 3 months timely fashion, or are you setting it monthly? You should have a vision board, okay? Every morning when you wake up, if it's on your fridge or if it's in front of the mirror that you look up in the morning to remind you every day of the goals that you set. So it's at the back of your mind so you don't procrastinate. If you want to venture to digital marketing, you can come up with templates. You can use Canva, or you can use, you know, Chat GPT to give you ideas, inspiration, topics you like to talk about. You can turn it into a coaching session, or you can turn it into like a coaching book. You can have an ebook. I have an ebook, like I said. I have my own ebook about transforming your life, your potential, unlocking your potential, because we all have a potential in us. We just have to look into ourselves to believe and bring it to fruition. So, like I said, I'll put the link in this video. If you need encouragement on how to start, just get the book, and I can assure you, you will be glad you did, okay? Because that's what worked for me. And I'm encouraging us as women to, why not just take the plunge and go in and just start from something, start about how to make money online, read up upon it. I know there are different people saying join my webinar, this and that, but you need to be able to discern. We need to pray to God for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding so we can go into it. And once you put God with you, there's nothing you cannot achieve, because with God nothing is impossible. Like I said, I'm going to dive in and I'm going to encourage us about how to make money. And this is your cue to start. So I want you to comment in the comment section below. Let me know that one thing that you're afraid to start, and we can discuss it, and I will reply your comments, okay? Because you shouldn't be afraid. Everything right now is digital. Most of the things you do is digital. Me talking to you right now and you watching me is digital. I don't have to see you in person. All you just have to do is go online and watch me on my YouTube channel, and you're getting information. That is how you transfer information, and that's what you're getting right now, for you to be able to start your own side hustle. If you want to have your own hair business, you just have to do your research about hair manufacturers or hair vendors that you could employ, or you can have. Obviously, you have to have a capital, but you can start small. There's nothing that you cannot do once you believe in it and you're determined. All right. Whatever product, if you want to sell clothes, you can advertise it online. You can use your social media handles, use your Facebook, use Instagram, use TikTok. Use what you have. It's all at your fingertips. You just have to believe in it and be persistent and consistent. Okay. I keep telling you, women, we have to have side hustles. I have a side hustle as well. I can print on your shirts for you. I can print mugs if you want a specific design on your mugs or on your t-shirt. It's part of my side hustle, and I'm sharing it with you right here. Like I said, this is Cara After Dark, and we can talk about things that are more, you know, matured in life, because we have to make money. Some people say adulthood is scam, that nobody will tell you how are you. Nobody will ask you, have you eaten today? Nobody will ask you, have you paid your bill today? Because girl, the bills are there and they need to be paid. I just got a ticket just because I passed where I wasn't supposed to pass, unbeknownst to me, and I need to pay that. Unexpected expenses, they come up on you and you have to deliver, because time waits for nobody. All right. So with the side hustle, not relying on the salary, not relying on a paycheck, you could get into business. Okay. You can get into business and just keep going, and don't stop and don't give up. All right. So if this helped you tonight, I want you to please comment below. If you need your confidence, I want you to have a I can do it attitude, okay? All right. And let me know how this helped you, and look forward for my next episode coming shortly on Cara After Dark season. All right. Until next time, like and follow for more, and tell a friend, and please do subscribe. Take care. Bye.